again. I'm back. I'm like on this mission to just keep recording. Hello, this is Rachel.
Hi, and this is Abby.
We want to talk to you about the Retreat and Complete, which is taking place on the 29th of April to the 31st. It is a women's retreat, 4 days of movement and organic food. Yum.
I'm going to be doing all the cooking, so I'm going to be bringing all my lovely local organic Crop Drop produce.
Check out Crop Drop, it's amazing.
Check out Crop Drop if you're in Haringey and you want a veg box. So I'm going to be cooking up some lovely light, fresh foods, loads of like Asian flavors and Middle Eastern dishes, but with a bit of a spin on hormone supporting ingredients.
Awesome, because this is what it's all about. We are going to be tuning into movement to support our hormones. We're going to be learning about our hormones and our menstrual cycle. Just what is our menstrual cycle? Because it's not just about bleeding. It really isn't. It's a whole lot more than that. We have 4 seasons under the glorious Red School. We have 4 seasons in our cycle, and we need to learn how to nurture each season. And we're going to learn how to do that with our movement and our food.
Have you ever noticed that when you're in a certain part of your cycle, like your periods just come on and you just feel so dead and so sluggish and so tired? It's actually what you eat that can stop you from feeling that way, and it can actually make you energized when usually you would feel like all you can do is sit on the sofa under a blanket. And actually it's so much about what you eat affects how you feel during your cycle.
Exactly. And also, really, are you going to want to be going on a 24-mile run when you first come on your period? Are you going to be wanting to go and do something really strenuous? Not really, because your movement is therefore depleting the essence of what is you, and that's why you're going to feel knackered and tired for the rest of your cycle. See, if we sit down and think about it, by nurturing, say, the first day of our period, we begin to create this energy, and in yoga they call it a siddhi. Beautiful. And by cultivating these powers and these siddhis, you just get stronger. And as you go through your menstrual cycle, you don't feel so depleted. You don't feel so emotional. You don't feel so torn and overwhelmed. And yeah, you just feel really good. And that's what we want, right? We want to be feeling really good. There are days when that just might not happen. But if we are making conscious choices towards our health, hopefully we won't be visiting the doctor and the hospital as much. What do you reckon, Rachel?
Yeah, exactly. So we're going to just set you on a course, and in these 4 days you're just going to learn from Abby loads about hormones and movement, and you're going to get to eat food. You're going to get to see how you can eat to really support yourself and get totally pampered in the process.
And this girl does awesome food, which is why we are collaborating. And the most beautiful thing is, you know where this food comes from. It is sourced authentically and eco and fair trade. You know, Rachel puts her heart and her soul into her food. So what you are getting is going to be nurturing you 100%. And we're by the beach. Oh my gosh, we're going to be moving by the ocean, the sea, inspiring us. We're going to be a band of women together, having a laugh, sharing, releasing, crying, shouting. And on our last night, there's going to be a little bit of a party.
Bit of a party.
We're going to be dancing all that fabulous energy. So,
and sourdough pizza, stone baked.
because you can eat that. Yes,
it's allowed.
It's allowed. It's not the devil. So if you are interested, get in touch, because we want you to join us. Don't be afraid. Don't be frightened. The door is open. It's now up to you to find out more. Speak to you soon.
Bye.
Bye.